I just got to show you this house restore. I wish I could say it was a before and after, but we already ripped out the floor in this living room. There were no floor joists except for that oak floor joist right there. We've jacked up the house in some spots. It's got issues. Got things on blocks here. Got some strange areas where they are supporting things in a way that's unconventional and not by code. So we're gonna go ahead and fix all of that. This is where the wall used to be between living room and the kitchen, which you can see the kitchen also has floor issues and vine issues and everything issues. But you know what? We'll get her done. Let's go look at the other rooms. Other rooms look pretty good and normal. Cleaned up. Bathroom needs some work. I'm going to change out the flooring in it too. Well, not flooring, the plywood. I want to make everything the same level. Get all the crooked floors out of here and fixed up. I mean, I've had people tell me that this is a money pit. And you know what? They're absolutely right in one way. But a lot of this stuff is wood. So there's other ways you can get rid of it and repurpose it. But yeah, look at this whole wall. Now the roof was good, but it started to leak right there on the corner, and it leaked all the way down into the floor for probably 8 years. And guess what loves wetwood? Your termite friends, or should I say foe. Anyways, so we gotta fix that too. But this, it almost looks like a hurricane hit this house on the inside. We'll go ahead and get her fixed up. It's gonna be fine. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my videos.